2, 1, engine start. Liftoff of the Delta rocket with Jason time on an international mission to grow our knowledge of the oceans and the upper atmosphere.
They've been damped out quite well. You see little or no engine movement. We're picking up a little as we go through the transonic buffet, and we have now gone supersonic. We've ignited the air start motors, and burnout of the 6 ground starts all look symmetrical. We are showing good chamber pressure on the air start motors, climbing to peak pressure. And jettison. All 6 ground-lit motors have been jettisoned. And our air start motors are beginning to taper off, approaching burnout. And we have burnout of the air start solid motors. And jettison. All 3 air start motors have jettisoned. We've commanded the LOX tank bi-level press.
Standing by for first stage main engine cutoff.
We have our float switches, fuel, then LOX, enabled MECO, and we have MECO. Both BEs still burning well under tank pressure. There's MECO. MECO came in on time. And the stages have separated. Second stage has ignited. Chamber pressure looks good. We see a nice smooth trace on the helium reg pressure. No sign of oscillation there. Fairing unlatch and jettison. Fairing has separated. We see a nice clean signature there. No sign of recontact. That can all be confirmed on the onboard video.